Good morning, everybody. It's Mindy, and I'm up bright and early to record some videos for you. Yep, Taco Tuesday. I got to get a lot done. So, anyhow, welcome. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy and you stick around and hit that subscribe button. And everybody who's returning, I got some more goodies for you. This is from Fansells. I love me some Fansells. You know that. So I have some cool things here to show you. Let's get to it. As I was sitting here looking at these, I was like, look, I have a round thing on top of a round thing. And look, they're both dragonflies. I thought, okay, well, that's interesting. So let's look at this one first. Why not? This one is pretty cool. This is something new I have seen on some of the sites. And there are these hangings. Let's see, where does it open? Where does it open? And I thought I would show you one. There's a whole bunch of them. All kinds of different designs. But I chose this one. All right, what comes in here? Here's our chain to hang it from. Okay, nice little chain. Toolkit, drills. Oh, okay. So you'll notice that this side of this, it's very shiny. This is super shiny, and this is the back side. Got some glue up here, which I'll get some glue on after that and get that off there. But can you see how shiny it is? So that's the back, and it gets no drills. All right, here is the front side. So this is plastic. It's an acrylic. And here's the front side of it. Let's see, what does that look like when, oh, it looks pretty nice. Okay, so I liked it. Like I said, there's a whole bunch of styles. Check them out. I think they're gonna be really cool. Where are our little, oh, see, I told you there's glue on the back. Here's our little holes to hang it from right here, like this. So it'll hang there. I love it. I love it. That's gonna be a perfect little project for smashing the specials. It's not going to take too long. Look at all the stars. That's what I saw when I first looked at these rolls. I was like, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, let's look at our colors. Well, let's start with some resin, black. And we have green rhinestones, blue rhinestones, pink, orange, clear. And look at all those stars. They are pink stars for our background. I love that. We have some blue marquee. That's an interesting blue. I've never really had that blue before. It's like an ice blue. And some gold ones. And then some purple balls. Half balls. All right, I like it. I'm definitely doing this one for Smashing the Specials in August. Yes, I like it. And I love the back of it. Look how pretty it is on the back. I really like that. Okay. Let's put that one aside and let's look at our next dragonfly. Oh, goodness. Does everything in this order fly? Yes. No. No, not everything flies. Almost everything. That's funny. So we have this beautiful dragonfly here, and it's just the center of this, circle, mandala type thing. Look at all the special drills on this one. Fives all around. We have some fours in the wings. That's going to be super pretty too. Love it. Little 30 by 30. It has 5 different drills, different types. Let's see what they are. Okay, this is a good way to start out. A whole bunch of black AB, right? So that black AB is going to make all of the outline around the circle, all of that outlining. And then all of this veining through the center is going to be this black as well. Then we have orange and we have pink. Those are that's all of the like rhinestoney size, 3. Then we have purple marquees and the purple balls. Love it. That's going to be super pretty, right? That's all of our drills right there. I love it. It's going to be great. Okay, that's number 2. All right, here's another fun one. So there's a bunch of these, a bunch of butterflies, different butterflies, some this way, some that way, different colors, all kinds of stuff. So there's a whole mess of these. Check out the link below, and the link below should take you to a group of different things. I don't know, Fansells might separate them. A lot of times these companies have them all in one group and you have to decide which one you want. I know it's really hard sometimes. They're all really pretty. But look at the specials on this one. We got a bunch around here. These little clusters, more over here. We got these guys. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so pretty, right? Let's look at the colors. I want to see what colors it turns out. There are 14 different drills here. 14. That's a lot, right? Only one thing in my mind could make this any better, and that would be to have a printed background. But, you know, it doesn't. So it'll be fine. There's a lot of special stuff going on here, so let's look at it. Orange, purple, brown, red, clear, green. Oh my gosh, this is like an aqua. That's a pretty color right there. Very pale yellow, a blue, another orange. We have an orange already, yeah. And another brown. Oh, wow. Okay, those are cool, right? Those are cool. I have not had those before. They are iridescent. They are textured on the top. Those are going to be fun. Love those. Then we have some gold round faceted and these big faceted teardrops. Love those. So those are going to come up here, right? Love it. And I think these are that flower. Pretty, 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 pretty. Love those drills. Ah, it's always fun to get something new and different that you've not had before. So far, everything has flown, right? Well, we're going to stick with that theme because he flies too. Oh, a lot of things that fly in this one. I love this. The bright colors of this owl were just fantastic. I love the bright colors. They were so pretty and vibrant, right? And it has 17 different drills. I mean, we've got marquees and teardrops and rounds. And I mean, that's going to be cool. Love these colors. Love them. All 17 of them, right? He's just sitting there on his branch. Looks like he's in front of a window, right? It's kind of cool. Yep, he's like a rainbow owl. Oh, it's got some fun stuff too. I've already seen some fun stuff. Just opening it up to this point. Okay, so we have to have a little bit of black. Red, brown, that pale, pale yellow. One blue, two blues, a purple, a green, an orange, a deeper yellow, a magenta. Oh my, look at those. Oh, aren't those fun? Love those. Again, with the textured bumpy tops. Love those. Those are cool. I'm going to have to do these. I'm going to keep these few out that have these special drills for smashing the specials. I know the old ones are getting pushed to the back again, right? Some purple marquee. Love those. Gold rounds. And then look, let's throw in these as well. Why not? Oh, wow. So one's going to be his beak, and then some are going to go in those flowers. We have these orange claw-looking ones and some blue marquee. Oh, teardrops. Love these. Oh, my goodness. How fun. Fun, fun, fun. I like when they find new stuff and put new things out there. Okay, this one doesn't fly, but he has a flying friend. Right? Oh my goodness. We got little bees buzzing around. So he doesn't technically fly. He could, I suppose. He's got some, I don't know what he's got going on there. He had to get a gnome. There's several of these. There's strawberry, lavender, this guy, an apple. I don't know. There's all kinds of them. But you know me. I'm trying to collect all of them, of course. Look at all the special drills on his hat. And then some around the flowers. 8 different drills for this one. And the bees are just like hanging out there. The bees get no drills at all. Poor little bees. You don't get any drills. All that hard work you did making that honey. Anyhow. All right, what do we have in this one? Let's find out. Oh my goodness. All right, so we have clear, We have a peachy color. I like that. Very light peach. Orange, deep yellow, green, and purple. And then there's the big gold ones that go on his hat. And the centers of the flowers, that's a lot of gold, right? He's going to be blinging. And then we have these pretty marquees, faceted. No iridescent on them, but they're still pretty. All right, so there's that. So we kind of had some flight in this one. And the last one, I'm just going to say this one could fly if it wanted to. Fly like the wind, right? This is so pretty. I love this horse head. It is gorgeous. Look at all of the drills that are going to go on this feather here. Super cool. We got some special stuff through here. I don't know what all is going on there. They look square to me, but we'll find out in a second. Special drills through here. Isn't it beautiful? Look how pretty that is. I love this one. I'm going to guess these are going to be squares. Well, let's find out. Let's look at the drills. There are 12 different ones. Let's see what they are. I love the teal and aqua colors in this. That is what caught my eye for sure. For sure. All right, so let's start with some amber color. Gray, like a smoky color. That pale, pale yellow. There's some teal aqua color. Orange. Another teal. Well, not really teal. That's more just a blue. Then we have some little red round. Okay, I don't know where those go, but they're in there somewhere. Little red round ones. Some smooth red marquee. Some faceted blue marquee. And look at, there they are. They are square. There they are right there. Little square rhinestones. Love them. And some little itty bitty, those are AB coated faceted marquees. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. You know, I have so many pretty Smash and the Specials options here. It's just crazy. And, you know, if we say that the horse can go fast and fly, you know, we'll do that. Okay, I'm going to bring them back to the center. Bring them back to the center here, and you can see my choices. Which one? Pick one. Pick one. If you had to do one of these for Smash and the Specials, which one would it be? Which one would it be? I don't know. My choices are endless, right? And it gets so hard to decide. I think I'm going to do this one for sure. But anyhow, what would you do? I don't know. Options, choices, overwhelming, right? They're gorgeous. I love everyone. They'll all be linked below. Check them out yourself. And I hope you join us for Smash and the Specials. It's going to be a blast. And I hope you come back and see more videos in the future. All right. Thanks for hanging out for a few minutes. And I'll see you real soon. All right. Talk to you later.